So meet the new T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So here I'll be unboxing the new T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and we're going to see what we have in this particular watch. I already have an Apple Watch Series 9, so I want to compare the Apple Watch Series 9 with the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So if you are planning to buy a Chinese smartwatch and you want to see or know which of these watches you can buy at a limited budget, then let's see what we've got in the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch box. So just gonna go ahead. So tear the nylon like this. So this is the big one. There is also a small one. So the big one is probably the 45 mm compared to 41 mm as designed by the smartwatch industry. And we expect to have a wireless charger in the box, the smartwatch itself, and then the smartwatch strap, which is about 2.19 infinite display. So if you are new to this, let's go and see what we've got in the T900 Ultra Watch Smart 2. So let's see what we've got in the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. There you go. So this is the casing. Right in the T900 Ultra 2 casing, the first you're gonna see is the manual. So this is probably the user manual. So this is your manual. Then this is followed by the smartwatch itself. Okay, I have the black one in here. So this is the smartwatch. This is kind of big, so that's why they said it is the Smartwatch Ultra 2 big 2.19 infinite display. So this is quite big. Now we have the strap. This is the strap. So I have the black strap here. So this is quite different from the real Apple Watch strap. So the real Apple Watch strap has this compared to the T900. So the T900 strap has this type of design. And if you compare the T900 strap to your Apple Watch series, you discover that the strap key here matches the color of the strap. Unlike Apple Watch, where you have a metal as the key to the strap. Then we have the charger. So this is also not the same as the Apple Watch charger. The Apple Watch charger is magnetic in nature, but this one is just a normal charger and kind of flexible. Very, very flexible. So that's what we've got in the T900 Smartwatch Ultra 2. So that's what we've got in here. Now, let's go ahead now and turn on the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So go ahead, press the start button. Just press it. So the digital ground, right? Oh no, it seems not coming up, right? Is it up? Perhaps I may need to charge it for a couple of minutes before it's gonna come up. So without wasting time, let me just go ahead, place the charger on it and charge it for a start. So this is the wireless charger. Is that? And here I'm gonna use my laptop to charge it. Then go ahead, remove the nylon on the sensor, this, and place it. So it's also magnetic, but let's see what it's gonna charge. You see that? So I need to charge the smartwatch just because I just got it newly. So if you just got the T900 Ultra 2, the big face or the small face, it's advisable that you go ahead and charge the watch before you use it. It's charging. So let's see. So in our next video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use some of these watch features. And the best of it is you can use it in place of your Apple Watch. And see that? Now I won't charge it for a couple of seconds. The watch is up. So once this watch is fully charged, then we'll come to how to use it. So this is basically what we'll have in the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch box. This, the watch, and then the wireless charger. See you in some of our subsequent videos on smartwatches.